definite and indefinite articles. So let's check the answers for exercise number 6, right? If you have any questions, you can ask. First one, follow, right? You don't need to write anything here, just a hyphen or a space, leave the space or put a cross mark there, right? Following recent meeting with Mr. Silva. We are not going to place anything here, put a cross mark there, right? Following recent meeting with Mr. Silva, we agreed on the revised strategy, okay? The revised strategy for, leave this one, already there is there, right? Right, for the project. This project aims to bring space. You don't need to write anything here, right? Put a cross mark. Clean water to the northern region. Okay, the should come here. The northern region of Sri Lanka. You are not going to place anything here, just a cross mark, right? It is, okay, it is an essential முக்கியமான, okay, இன்றியமையாத, an essential step towards, you are not going to write anything here, put a cross mark, okay, steps towards sustainable development in the area, THE, the way how we want to pronounce the word thee or thy, because the next word starts with a vowel sound, area. So you have to pronounce the like thee or thy. Okay, the area. The final report which is currently on the desk. Okay, the desk in my office needs to be submitted by the end of number 13, by the end of. So again we place the way how we pronounce the word is thee or thy, submitted by the end of. You are not going to place anything here this week. Okay, number 15, an extensive review of historical data. We are not going to put anything here. Historical data was conducted by the research team before the conclusion. Conclusion means முடிவு. Before the conclusion was reached. முடிவை எட்டுவதற்கு முன்பு. Okay, before the conclusion was reached. We faced a significant challenge. குறிப்பிடத்தக்க சவால். We faced a significant challenge. ஒரு குறிப்பிடத்தக்க சவாலை நாம் முகம் கொண்டோம். We faced a significant challenge regarding na பற்றி. Okay, regarding what? எதை பற்றி? Regarding எது சம்பந்தமாக? Okay, எது சம்பந்தமாக? Regarding the funding. Okay, regarding the funding. But the bank manager assured us that the money, அந்த குறிப்பிட்ட பணம், the money would be transferred tomorrow. We believe, நாம் நம்புகின்றோம், we believe this initiative, முதற்கட்ட வேலை, this initiative will have a positive impact. Okay, a positive impact. Impact means பாதிப்பு, ஒரு நல்ல பாதிப்பு, ஒரு plus. Okay, will have a positive impact on the lives of local people. Okay, we are not going to write anything, just a cross mark. Understood? Yes. So I have recorded this so you can listen later, right? Exercise 7, travel and geography. Choose the correct article, and the. If you think you are not going to place anything here, right, in the spaces, you just put a cross mark, right, or this mark to complete these sentences focusing on common rules related to geography unique items and general statements. Example, first one, Mount Everest is the highest. I have discussed this one earlier. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. The highest. Okay. She can play the guitar. Whenever you are talking about a musical instrument, you have to place the guitar, the piano, the violin, the drums, like that. Okay. The guitar beautifully, but I prefer listening to nothing you are going to write here, classical music. We spent our holiday on Sicily. We are not going to write anything. We are going to leave this, which is an island in the Mediterranean Sea. Matthiya Tarai Kadal, Mediterranean Sea. Yes.
Sicily means?
That's a small island. It's in the Mediterranean Sea. அதாவது மத்திய தரைக்கடலில் அமைந்திருக்கின்ற ஒரு சின்ன தீவு ஒன்று, அது பேர் சிசிலி. அது நீங்கள் கொஞ்சம் ரிசர்ச் பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம். சுவாரஸ்யமான சில விஷயங்கள் இருக்குது. ஓகே, ஸோ வி ஸ்பெண்ட் அவர் ஹாலிடே, நாம் எமது விடுமுறையை கழித்தோம் ஆன் சிசிலி. Okay, so we are not going to write anything in this space. Okay, I had a big breakfast today, so I am not hungry for lunch. We are not going to write anything this place. The accident happened near the central station. You have to place the central station on the way to the airport. On the way to the airport. The means THE, but we pronounce as the or thy because the next word starts with a vowel sound. That's why. The price of petrol keeps rising every month. Is it true that you are not going to write anything here? Is it true that French are very passionate about food? You are not going to write anything here. இதில் எதுவுமே நாங்கள் எழுத போகிறது இல்லை. My brother works as an engineer, place an here, an engineer for a large tech company, Please pass me the salt and the pepper. They are on the table. The earth moves around the sun every 365 days. Okay? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. We skip this lesson. We will learn about adjective later in the class. But very soon we have to study about sentences, this part. I ask you to write the sentences here. It's very easy. Okay. It's in the page number 10. On the page number 10, it's very easy for you to do all these things. Next time I will start the lesson about sentences. We have started, we discussed. Okay, so next time I'm going to start with sentences என்றால் என்ன, அதில் start பண்ணோம். So you have to keep a CER book because I will give you some notes there. Okay, like I think not here actually. Okay, so I will share some notes. So that's why you have to keep a notebook. Notebook means a CER book. Understood? Okay. So what did you learn today? Give a summary.
How to give a length answer.
Lengthy answer. Very good. Very nice. Good.
In short answer.
What? Yes. Lengthy answer. Okay. Right. And how to use and the. Okay. So next time we will learn how to form sentences, right? So you can see there are a lot of things to learn about. I will screen all these things Okay, so you have to have some notes. Take some piece of papers or A4 paper or anything. While I'm teaching, write them down, and after that you have to copy them to the CR book. Okay, understand? So that's how. Okay, you should not mix all the lessons. Now, when we are learning about adjectives, you have to note them in a small book, small 160 pages or 200 page book. Okay, on that you have to write. For example, when we are learning this one, okay, adjectives, like this part, right? Adjectives. I will ask you to write in some other book. Okay, இன்னொரு புக்கில் இதை எழுதும்படி நான் சொல்லுவேன். அப்போ அதை எழுதிக்கொள்ளணும். சிஆர் புக்கில் எழுத வேண்டியது சிஆர் புக்கில் எழுதணும். ஓகே, ஸோ அப்போ 2 புக்ஸ் நாங்கள் ஃபாலோ வச்சுக்கொள்ளணும். நீட்டாக எழுதணும். ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கு அது தேவை. Not only for A levels, when you are going to campus or universities or any other higher studies, you need them, right? If you are going to be a good English student. Okay, right. Thanks for joining the class today and enjoying it. And I need more engagement. நீங்க வந்து என்ன செய்யணும் சொன்னால் என்கேஜ் ஆகும். நான் கேள்வி கேட்கும்போது நீங்க வந்து ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். Okay, more I need that. Okay, engagement. You did. Sometimes it's very first time for you. So when you do more participation, we can do the class very effectively. Class நம்ம இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் effectively கொண்டு போகலாம். எல்லாரும் engage ஆனீங்க சொன்னால். Okay. If you sometimes you may have some internet connections and all those problems. Sometimes it's not clear. So that's why I have recorded this session. So later I will upload them to the YouTube. Then you can watch that. Okay. Right. If you have any questions, if you have any questions, you can forward the questions and your requirement to my WhatsApp number. Then I will respond to you. Okay. Thanks for joining the class. Have a good night.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Most welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Good night, sir.